Today we're at the Chester Village Cemetery. We're going to be taking down that tree right there, and we have All Pro Tree Service that's going to be taking the trees down. So just going to assist them because I'm a cemetery trustee. And so we got to get all the equipment through this old gate area. Not much room, but hopefully it's enough. So they'll come down here, sneak in here, set up the crane. So I dug and leveled out a spot with the excavator for the crane to set up here. They're going to reach up here and grab these two trees here. The center of this maple is really rotted bad. The whole center of it is gone. And eventually more and more of these limbs are going to break off and hit the headstones and break them. So it's a couple of reasons why we're taking them down is because of the heart rot. A bunch of limbs on here are starting to die, and some have already broken off already. So for safety reasons, people walk around hanging out in the cemetery. We don't have branches coming down and hitting people, and two, not breaking headstones. I'm estimating this tree here was beginning a time of Chester and beginning of the cemetery. Chester was established in 1722. There's a branch that just fell now. And the cemetery was actually established in 1751, and so I'm thinking this tree was pretty small at that time, so I'm thinking this tree is at least 250, 300 years old. And the trees are gone, and the crew is gone.